Area 51 exposed the truth. They don't want you to know. Ever wondered what's really going on inside Area 51? Is it just a top-secret military base? Or is the government hiding something much bigger? Like alien technology, crashed UFOs, or even extraterrestrial beings? Today, we're diving deep into the mysteries of Area 51 and uncovering some shocking facts that will make you question everything. Area 51 is located in southern Nevada within the Nevada Test and Training Range, about 83 miles northwest of Las Vegas. This facility, shrouded in secrecy and protected by extreme security measures, including motion sensors, surveillance cameras, and no trespassing signs warning that deadly force is authorized. Area 51 wasn't always called that. In the 1950s, it was just a secret part of the Nevada Test and Training Range. Its job? To test cutting-edge aircraft like the U-2 spy plane, and later, the SR-71 Blackbird, some of the most advanced jets ever built. But Area 51 became famous not just for planes, but because of something that crashed in Roswell, New Mexico in 1947. The US said it was a weather balloon, but many think it was an alien spaceship and that the wreckage and maybe bodies were taken to Area 51. Since then, it's been at the center of alien conspiracy theories. Area 51 was only acknowledged by the US government in 2013. That's almost 60 years of complete denial. Before that, satellite images of the base were even censored from public view, but the rumors never stopped. Former employees have claimed to see alien spacecraft being reverse-engineered. One name that pops up frequently? Bob Lazar. In 1989, Lazar claimed he worked near Area 51 on a site called S4, where he saw flying saucers being tested. He described gravity-defying propulsion systems, and even claimed the fuel used was an element not yet discovered at the time, element 115. Years later, a stable version of element 115, moscovium, was indeed discovered. Coincidence? Maybe. Or maybe not. Another interesting thing, Area 51 has some of the most extreme security on Earth. There are motion detectors buried underground, patrols with weapons, and no drone zones for miles. If you even approach the perimeter, you're met with warning signs saying lethal force is authorized. Satellite images of the base were censored for decades, and it still doesn't appear on many official maps. Anyone approaching the perimeter is watched by camo dudes, private security contractors who monitor the surroundings 24/7 in white pickup trucks. In 2014, a Las Vegas family filmed a glowing red orb hovering near Area 51 before it shot off at impossible speeds. FAA radar confirmed an unknown object moving at 3,000 mph, faster than any jet. The government called it a drone, but pilots say no drone moves like that. So, what was it? In 2019, something wild happened. A joke Facebook event called Storm Area 51 They Can't Stop All of Us went viral. Millions RSVP'd to raid the base in search of aliens. While it started as a meme, it drew real-world attention and real concern from the US Air Force. They issued official warnings, and although the actual turnout was small, it once again put Area 51 in the spotlight. But despite all the noise, the US government has never confirmed anything extraterrestrial happening there. They just say it's used for national security and testing experimental aircraft. Still, people report seeing strange lights in the sky around the area, triangle-shaped crafts moving at impossible speeds, hovering lights that vanish in a blink. Area 51's runway is over 26,000 feet long, one of the longest in the world, likely to accommodate high-speed experimental aircraft. The Janet Flight's employees working at Area 51 are flown in daily from a terminal at Las Vegas McCarran International Airport, now Harry Reid International, on unmarked white aircraft with a single red stripe. These are unofficially known as Janet Airlines. The name is rumored to stand for just another non-existent terminal. The planes have no public schedule, and passengers are sworn to secrecy. John Lear, a former CIA pilot, claimed the US government recovered multiple crashed UFOs and hid them at Area 51. He said they even had live extraterrestrial beings in custody. Lear's father invented the Learjet, giving him insider aerospace connections. Did his high-level access expose the biggest cover-up in history? Before his death in 2014, Boyd Bushman, a senior scientist at Lockheed Martin, recorded an interview claiming he worked on anti-gravity technology at Area 51. He showed photos of aliens and described their home planet. Critics called it a hoax, but Bushman had real patents for advanced tech. Why would a respected scientist lie on his deathbed? Area 51 scientists allegedly studied bizarre phenomena from Skinwalker Ranch, a hotspot for UFOs, shape-shifting creatures, and even interdimensional portals. Declassified reports reveal the Pentagon secretly investigated these events. Why? What did they find? A former employee claimed they worked on alien-human hybrid experiments deep underground. Another said they saw living creatures in containment tubes. The Pentagon denies it, but why did so many witnesses report the same thing? Edgar Foch, a former U.S. Air Force and Defense Intelligence Agency employee, says he had access to classified briefings on black-budget aircraft at Area 51. He revealed the TR-3B Astra, a nuclear-powered triangular UFO used for covert operations. The Pentagon denies it, but Foch's credentials make his claims hard to ignore. In 2019, a YouTuber flew a hacked drone over it and captured strange hexagonal structures before the feed cut off. What's so secret that even satellites can't see it? These aren't just conspiracy theorists. They're credible insiders with documented backgrounds. So why does the government still deny everything? Because the truth about Area 51 might be stranger than we can imagine.